Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code that is already on your iPhone screen without needing another phone. Normally, you scan QR codes using your camera when they are in front of you. But what if the QR code is inside a website, an email, a message, or a screenshot? I'll show you the easiest way to scan it directly from your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, we need to enable a feature that allows your iPhone to recognize QR codes inside images. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Search at the bottom. Now search for Live Text. Tap Live Text from the results. At the bottom, make sure the option Live Text is turned on. This feature allows your iPhone to detect text and actions inside photos, including QR codes. Now go back and find the QR code you want to scan. If the QR code is inside a website, email, or message, take a screenshot. To take a screenshot on your iPhone, quickly press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Once the screenshot appears, tap the preview in the bottom left corner. Then tap the Done button at the top and select Save to Photos. Now open the Photos app on your iPhone. Find and open the screenshot containing the QR code. When you open the image, look for the small live text icon that appears at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and your iPhone will analyze the image and detect the QR code. Now press and hold on the QR code. A menu will appear with an option to open in Safari. Tap it, and your iPhone will automatically open the website or content linked to that QR code. And that's it. You can now scan any QR code saved on your iPhone screen without needing another device. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot,